Today we're going to cover how to properly collect a water sample for lead from your home or business. It's important that the sample be collected in just the right way to ensure proper results. Any EBMUD customer can get a voucher for a free lead test once per year. Call our customer service line at 866-403-2683 or request a test on our website and we'll mail you a kit. It's important to plan ahead. You'll need to pick a time when you know that the water can sit in the pipes for at least 6 hours. Try setting a reminder to collect your sample first thing in the morning before anyone else in the house wakes up. Or you can collect a sample after work if no one is home during the day. This will ensure that no one took a bath, used the toilets, washed the dishes, or used any water during that time. Choose a faucet that you use regularly for drinking or cooking, like a kitchen faucet. You'll need to remove any faucet or sink-mounted devices, such as a water softener, filter, or reverse osmosis system. Unpack the sample kit you received in the mail. The kit contains a 1-liter plastic water bottle, a Ziploc bag to contain any leaks, bubble wrap for packing, a return mailing label, a form to fill out, sampling instructions outlining the same things we're showing in this video, and prepaid postage. Do not destroy the box or packing material. You'll use them again to ship the bottle back to us. The prepaid postage is valid for 30 days, so make sure you don't wait too long after you get the kit to collect and ship your sample. Place the forms and labels away from the sink so they don't get wet. Next, remove the cap from the bottle, being careful not to touch the inside of the cap or the inside of the bottle. Now we're ready to sample. Place the bottle under the faucet so it's ready to capture that first draw of water. Turn on the cold water and fill the bottle up to the neck. Turn the water off and tightly cap the bottle. Complete the form, noting date and time the water was last used, the date and time the sample was collected, where it was collected from, and your name, signature, date, and address. Now it's time to pack up the box. Wrap the bottle in the bubble wrap and put it in the same box it arrived in. Put the completed form in the box and close it up. Affix the mailing label and the postage sticker. It's ready to mail. Once we receive your sample, our certified laboratory will perform the lead analysis. It will take a few weeks to get your results. Thank you for participating in EBMUD's lead sampling program.